We understand.
We understand the feelings of embarrassment, of failing teeth, and tooth loss.
We understand the pain of not being able to chew or feeling confident smiling.
We understand the challenges with dentures and other non-permanent solutions.
We understand that more than 120 systemic diseases originate in the mouth.
From diabetes to heart disease, the risk of stroke to arthritis.
We understand that better oral health can lead to better overall health.
We understand that you want to invest in your best self.
And we understand what it means to truly smile healthy.
At ClearChoice, our goal is to provide you with dental implants that can last a lifetime.
That can get you back to eating and living better.
As leaders in restoring oral health and function,
Our focus is to get you back to an amazing smile.
Restored confidence.
the ability to eat properly,
Making your health one less thing to worry about.
Healthier living.
a solution that can last a lifetime.
To engage more deeply with the ones you love.
Feeling and functioning like yourself again.
That's our hope for you.
Because at ClearChoice, our #1 goal
Is to replace your dental worries.
With the joy of an amazing smile.
And improved oral and overall health.
We understand.
And ClearChoice is here to help.
I had severe periodontal bone disease.
I had loosening of teeth. Some of them would fall out on their own. Some I pulled out on my own.
I've had thousands of dollars, worth of work done, but everything has been a temporary fix. I haven't found anything permanent.
Every patient that comes in has a unique story. They've had different experiences. They have different challenges. They have different needs and certainly different expectations.
The first one on this side fell out, and I went to the dentist, and God, I'm gonna cry. I was left with having to have them all pulled.
I had to clean up the wreckage of my past, and that meant over 20 years of not flossing and not brushing correctly.
I was not able to chew. I wasn't able to exercise. My teeth would chatter and kind of shake in my mouth. That's just how loose they were.
A lot of patients think if I'm not in pain, I can just continue to put it off. So if you wait, it's not only making you more unhealthy, but it's gonna make it ultimately more expensive. It's gonna make it more difficult.
For years, I let my teeth go. I was like, I'll do a temporary fix, I'll get a snap-on smile. And here my health was deteriorating the whole time.
Waiting isn't going to help the situation, and just trying to live with something is not going to help the situation. You have to act on it.
I was down for a long period of time because I knew that I wasn't happy. I knew I wasn't feeling okay. I knew there were health issues behind my oral care.
Before I had ClearChoice, I always covered up my mouth, especially when I ate or when I was talking to somebody. I was just like, I would cover it up because I was ashamed of what I look like.
And so it's up to me to earn our patients' trust, being able to make this a great dental experience for them so they feel comfortable receiving the care that they need.
This isn't cosmetic. It's not vanity. What it is, it's more than just teeth. It's about getting your life back.
You don't have to live like that, and I just wish I had known sooner that there was ClearChoice and that I did have another choice.
Nice to see
Nice to see you.
We have nothing to lose by coming in to a consultation and allowing the experts to tell you where you're at, what we can do, and where we can get you to.
Place 4 implants on top, 4 on the bottom, leave here with a new smile.
That sounds awesome. I've been waiting a long time for this.
Hi, Gigi. How are you doing today?
Great.
Welcome to our center.
If I would have gone through my dentist, I would have had to make 3 appointments and do all 3 of those things over successive days or weeks in order to get what I got from ClearChoice on the first visit.
ClearChoice has the perfect name because it really was a clear choice when we started looking online at the other companies that did this. There was no comparison. And once we walked in the door, we just knew it was the right place.
When they told me that I was a perfect candidate and that my bones were still good for them to do what they needed to do, was the best news that I ever got.
What happens at ClearChoice is that we're able to combine all of this expertise, all of these specialists, and place them under one roof and allow them to execute one mission, which is to restore patients' overall health by restoring their oral health and giving them their smiles back.
Let's go check out our lab team over here.
So everything's done right here?
Yes, and that's why we can have you walk out with teeth in one day.
Wow.
I believe the difference between ClearChoice and the other dental choices are the details. They took x-rays of my mouth to see what would best fit me. They took different teeth and showed them to me so that it would be more natural looking for me, and then somebody put that together and made it happen.
When you spend 20 or 30 years thinking about what you'd like to improve, when they show it to you, it's pretty easy to choose what you want because you've spent years dreaming about it.
Have consultations with people. They're free consultations. My hope when they leave is that I've given them my opinion as an expert, and I have empowered them to make a decision that is in their best interest.
Oh, I love it!
It's gorgeous. You deserve this. New chapter, day one. Congratulations.
Why is ClearChoice different? It's the whole package. All of the pieces that the patient is going to need, the oral surgeon, the prosthodontist, the lab, it's all in one house.
And I am in awe every day just being able to work with these kind of doctors, to be able to provide this kind of hope, to be able to tell somebody when they've been turned down multiple times and saying, we can actually help you, and to see that sigh of relief from our patients is the best part of our day.
We want our patients to feel comfortable, safe. We're here to look at the future and how we can make things better.
This is where you're going to get top-level treatment, transparent, judgment-free, and partner with us for life.
What most of my patients will tell me is, I wish I had done this sooner.
At the core of what we do is patient care.
I would say to somebody that's at their worst time, just go and have the conversation. Just go and start those steps because it will really change your life.
There is hope out there. There is help at ClearChoice.
Whatever you're doing, come in, take the initiative to start and get it done. It's gonna be a great journey. No worry, no stress, no regret. You deserve to have a great smile.
There are a lot of regrets in my life. ClearChoice is not one of them. Joy is what I see when I look in the mirror today. Thanks to ClearChoice.
The joy that I have in my heart for what ClearChoice did for me, I cannot thank them enough for what they gave back to me.
Definition of joy is ClearChoice.
But you owe it to yourself to come in and have the conversation.
Don't waste time because life is too precious. It really is. And get off the couch. Make a phone call.